Why would you put a thermostat housing right here? Look at that. I can't even put my socket there, man. Like I can't. I try to come up from this angle. I still can't. Why would you put it there? That's so dumb. I end up getting it with this little 1/4 inch drive. Got the new one back in. About to do this seal here, clean it up, and then reinstall it. Then all I gotta do is hook up new hoses, fill up the radiator, and yeah, I think that's it. That's all. I put a new belt, new hoses, oil change, new oil filter, new air filter. Yeah,